Goa, a coastal state in India where there is everything for all kinds of travelers. Since the hardcore rave parties never appealed to us, we'll be showing you the calmness of South Goa. Be prepared to explore with us some of the less crowded beaches with mouth-watering food, beachside accommodations, musical Goan weddings. If you are new here, welcome! We make travel and staycation videos hoping you'd just find your next travel inspiration. This is Squirrel on Sand spending 5 placid days in South Goa. Goa is at a distance of 225 kilometers from Devgarh, a small village in Maharashtra which was the last stop on our road trip. After entering Goa, we spent some time at this cool cafe, which is located near the airport, before heading to Agonda village. Agonda is a small village located in Kanakona district. It is one of the 4 beaches designated as a turtle nesting site, which makes this beach a perfect place for spending time in peace as lights and speakers are not allowed after 11 p.m. on the beach.
It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow.
This is a 2-kilometer stretch of sand and there are numerous accommodation options of all range along the beach. Sitting in one of the restaurants sipping iced tea would be the best way to enjoy sunset here.
Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me. Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me.
Galgibaga Beach, being another turtle preservation site, is even more sparsely crowded and it is a place where probably you wouldn't spend more than a couple of hours in the morning or evening.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number 1. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now.
One of my favorite beaches is the Fatrade beach. It is a soft powdery sand and is a flat beach which makes it best for swim. There is one big resort on this beach, the Caravella Beach Resort, and no other accommodation options are visible here. Hence, only some part of this beach is crowded, which is near the entrance of the resort.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up.
Palolem is known for its picturesque shore with a row of coconut trees and colorful cottages.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect.
It is also one of the beaches in Goa that is a perfect spot for kayaking, especially for the beginners. Watching the shore from a kayak far in the sea is something you don't want to miss out on.
Dverak sobie ubierał ja?
That's all for this one, folks. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this sort of content, please consider subscribing for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching.